Hello and welcome all. Study abroad, specifically for study in countries like Germany, the budgeting of funds required for studying in Germany is very important. This is because you will be using a good amount of your family savings and other sources to fund your studies. So, in order to understand why it is important to budget for your studies and get an idea about the amount of funds required for study in Germany, we have here with us Ms. Parvinder Kaur, who is an ICAF trained agent counselor who will give us more insights about the fund requirement for study visa in Germany. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, what is the minimum amount of funds required for study in Germany?
Applicants who would like to apply for their study in Germany visa application need to fulfill certain funds requirement. Here I would be specifically speaking about the funds requirement as set up by the German embassy. Now, as per the policy, the students need to have access to first year of their tuition fee as well as first year of cost of living in order to apply for their Germany student visa. Now, the cost of living is fixed, but the tuition fee would depend on the course you wish to study. Furthermore, it may also depend on the university, like if you get admission in a public university, the cost of tuition fee may be zero, as most of the public universities in Germany do not charge tuition fee for international students. So these are the two factors based on which the students must decide their budgeting. The first one is tuition fee, which would vary on the course as well as the university, and the cost of living, which is fixed.
Ma'am, when it comes to funding their study in Germany, so can the students only use their personal savings or they can attach some other financial proofs as well?
Here again, I would like to answer these questions based on the student visa checklist for German embassy, because traveling to Germany to study, first and foremost, you need to get visa, and there are certain requirements which the students must fulfill. As per the policy, the students must show that they have got their cost of living to support themselves while they are in Germany. So they need to have a fixed amount for this, and the best way to show this is to open a blocked account. So this is fixed, and the students need to show funds for first year of cost of living. So if the course duration is for more than 1 year, let's say that the student is going for a bachelor's degree of 3 years, so no doubt the bachelor's degree duration is 3 years, but the visa requirement is to have access to funds for 1 year when you apply for your visa plus the tuition fee.
Okay, ma'am, so you mentioned a blocked account that is necessary for Germany student visa. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes. As I said, that the case officer must be satisfied that you must have enough funds for your cost of living. And the best way to show that you have enough funds to support yourself while in Germany on student visa is to have a blocked account. Now, this is an account which would be opened in the student's name in Germany, and before filing their visa, the student transfers a specific amount which is currently euros 11,904. Now they transfer this amount to Germany, and this is blocked for 1 year, and the student may withdraw 1/12 of the amount, that is euros 992 per month, to support themselves for their cost of living. So this is an excellent way to prove to the case officer that you have the required amount of cost of living. So the applicants must go with blocked account.
So, ma'am, will the fund requirement be similar for a student who is doing an undergraduate or as compared to student who is doing a postgraduate course?
Well, again, the amount of funds required for your study would depend on the course you are doing, whether the duration of the course is for 1 year, for 18 months or 3 years. Here I would again be answering this question specifically to the student visa policy. The cost of living, whether you're going for a bachelor's degree or a post graduate courses, master's courses, that would be the same. Students need to have a blocked account with 1 year of cost of living, which is euros 11,904, whether you're going to study a bachelor's program or a master's program. Now, if the duration of the course is more, yes, of course, you would be requiring more money later on when you join the subsequent years of study. The second part is of tuition fee. Now, as per the policy, the students need to have access to 1 year of tuition fee. Now, the students may be required to pay full 1 year of tuition fee depending on the university they wish to study, or they may pay a semester fee and another semester fee. They may put that amount in that blocked account, which is not blocked. That amount is not blocked for tuition fee for next 6 months. So the tuition fee would of course be different for different undergraduate courses. So specifically speaking, cost of living requirement for masters and bachelors is same, and the tuition fee varies depending on the course and the university.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for explaining the fund requirements for study in Germany. I'm sure students will find this helpful. And if they have any further questions or they need more clarification, they can contact West Highlander Immigration. Thank you.
Thank you.